Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this wonderful gathering in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand.
You guys are showing up from 20 different countries across APAC. So thank you very much for coming. May I have a round of applause for yourself?
Top 10, here I come. Let's go ahead and join.
You may be aware that there is something called the Fabric Challenge. It's basically a moment of kind of gaming where you get to build essentially configurations with the product. And if you do that well and fast, you get a score. When you have the top score, essentially you win the thing and you qualified for a global one. You will be invited for the next global partner event, which is going to happen in Vegas.
This is a good place to be. It's a good place to be because that is where we open the book and show the latest things.
The XPERTS event is an event which we bring to not only showcase but give hands-on experience from the top technical people at Fortinet that are seeing global deployments from real customers, and just it gives the partners really that sort of first-line experience and of the brand new technologies and things that are coming. So definitely encourage them to come out and enjoy the week.
Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand.
Well, for sure, one of the biggest trends in 2025 is around AI, of course. And this is one of the categories that all companies, were really racing to try to have solutions and add new things. And of course, this brings a lot of new technology into the enterprise environment for customers, fewer technologies, fewer vendors, and easier adoption of technologies, including security operations, SASE, and others. So, a lot of ability to do more things with the resources that companies have.
With Fortinet, we try to promote the idea of a platform. The idea is that it can help you use all of this technology in the most efficient way possible. And then this kind of event is also designed so that people can actually have some live experience, play hands-on with the technology, understand it, try and fit it into their particular use cases. And then ideally, when they come home, when they go back to their company, our partners, when they go back to the companies they serve, they get to implement the best that we have to offer, essentially, in technology.
Okay, good luck, guys.